Okay, so you put 8 and a question mark to it. So you're not confident on that?
Yeah, I didn't give any of the answers, so there's something I did wrong, but I didn't know what it was, so I'm gonna.
Okay, but I see this one. You did write 2 to the 8, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 8, which is good. You know, at least you got that exponent, which is really good. But now let's continue on the same steps over there. Since you write it 2 to the 8, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 8, we have like how many over there? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, right?
Yeah.
So once you have 4 of them, so 4 and then 2 to the 8 equal 2 to the x, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Or can we write this 4? Can we write it to the Excellent.
Okay.
I like that.
Okay.
Since you have the same basis right here, and you can keep the base and then add the exponents.
Okay.
There you go. You got that. See that? So it is possible to just make sure. Yep, that's correct. So 2 plus 8, that's how you get 10. Good job.
Okay.
So it is good to skip steps, okay? And you don't need to show all the steps. You skip as many you can and try to come to a conclusion for the answer, in SATs especially, okay? Because they're not looking at your process. Okay? As long as you think process is correct and then you have to get the right answer, and you should be good to go.
I gave you the points for the work.
Yep, that's it. Exactly. That's what we needed.
Okay, so I did try to plug in for B.
Okay.
And if you add 3 minus B plus B, then it's just y equals 3.
Right.
Well, is that the answer?
That's pretty much, you have everything in there. I don't see a lot of work you did. Basically, you see this is from this itself, you can take, this is, we have the same base right here, right? So you can add the exponents, which is 5 to the a plus b, but a plus b is given 3.
Oh gosh! Okay.
So it's basically one step, which is 5 to the third exponent, which is 5 times 5 times 5, which makes it like 5 times 5 is 25, and then 125. Okay?
No. Okay.
No, you don't agree with my answer?
No, I do. I just see how easy it was.
Oh, yes, yes. So those are the kind of like, that is the reason we're doing a lot of these type of questions. Next time when you see these type of questions, right, your brain is going to tell, oh, I can solve it quickly.